MWG3 presents
Helping Japan.
On March 11, 2011, a 9.0 magnitude earthquake hit a city near Tokyo, Japan.
The devastating quake spread all across Japan and triggered a tsunami.
Along with that, two nuclear reactors have been damaged and caused radiation.
Many people died and more are still missing.
The Japanese did a radiation checkup every day, but experts say there is not too much radiation. Many homes, schools, and cars were swept away and destroyed by the horrible disaster.
The Japanese citizens now do not know if it's them shaking or an earthquake. Our school was shocked and we decided to find out more. Dun dun dun.
We researched and read articles about Japan's quake. In guided reading, all the groups read about the disastrous quake that caused so much trouble and chaos.
Before every article that we read, Mr. White asked us to write down some questions that we wanted to be answered.
We read the articles and had to find the main idea and summarize the text. Most students got interested in the subject and decided to help.
After a lot of research, one of our classmates, Emily, came up with an idea that we should make paper cranes to help Japan.
At first, we practiced making cranes as a class and everybody made one. Then we started to spread the word using announcements and posters.
Next, we started teaching more kids how to make paper cranes in the library.
From the very first day, we have got 305 cranes. Everybody was sure that we were doing a great job.
Soon the whole school started making paper cranes and bringing them to our class.
When we added all the cranes, the total was 1,728 cranes. Everybody was fascinated by our school's work.
The next day, Mr. White was planning to ship the cranes to students rebuild to donate to Japan.
Before that, two people had to write a letter to the organization to know who we were and how many cranes we made. Michelle, Sandra, and Emily were the ones to write the letter to the organization.
When we found out the total number of cranes, we wrote it down on the box. Now Mr. White had to print a shipping label to put on the box. We are proud that we helped Japan, and it proves that anybody can make a change.